Welcome back to the OpenVINO channel. We all want to get started with deep learning based model. We all want to use AI for our applications. Here is the easiest and fastest route to start. First stage is to take a model. We're using models that are already trained, converged, and freeze, so ready for inference. The samples that are provided with the OpenVINO can use these pre-trained models for inference, and you're getting a sample application. We have talked about how to compile the inference engine samples in video 5. We've demonstrated many of the samples in other videos. Now let's talk about the models. There are two ways to get a pre-trained model. First is to just download it and process it. You can download it from the internet or with the downloader utility. Then you'll need to prepare it for inference using the model optimizer. I'll show you how in a second. Option number 2 is to download one of Intel pre-trained models. Here you will download the IR files directly, which are processed and ready to use right away. In video number 6, you can see how to use a model downloader. On video number 9, how to use a model optimizer. Let's do it here again. Set in the environment, go to the downloader directory. I run it with --print all to see all the topologies. Now let's download SqueezeNet into my ~/junk directory, and I have the Caffe model. Now let's run the model optimizer. I'm taking the Caffe model and generating the two files, .bin and .xml file, and I have an IR file ready to use. Downloading the Intel pre-trained models is even easier. Navigate to the model page. You can see the link. Choose a model. Let's see the face landmark detection, for example. You can see here the full description, example, specification, dataset used, and more. Now navigate to the Model Zoo web page. This is part of the OpenVINO open source. Choose a model you would like to use. You can see here the prototext. Choose a format. We have here FP16, FP32, and even int8 format. And I can just download the .bin and .xml files. Once you have the model, all you have to do is use it in the samples. And I've showed it in many other videos. For example, I'm running here the interactive face demo. Check out video 21 to see how it works. And I'm using this model for face detection, and this model for the landmark detection, and so on. Not every model could be used for every sample. If you navigate to the samples directory, you can see that the action recognition model could only be used for action recognition demo and only for CPU or GPU. But the driver action recognition ADAS model could be also run on the FPGA. The samples also support your private models and public models. You have to make sure that the input and outputs are the same formats. So we saw how to choose a pre-trained model, how to download it, how to use it in a sample code, and which models could be used for which samples. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this one. Thank you.